I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Ah!
I stole your bitch cause I'm a black cat. You just a stupid fat cat. Bitch!
Give me a kiss, girl. What the fuck? I'm a boy, you stupid motherfucker! You gay ass bitch!
Oh, hey there, little girl. You want to go for a walk? What? I'm not taking you for a walk.
Oh my god, okay, fine.
My anaconda don't, my anaconda don't, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah! Oh, hey there, little girl. Want to go for a swim? Oh, hey there, little girl. You want to go for a walk?
200 damn voicemails and you still ain't call me back? That's okay, cause I followed you home! Nigga, I see!
Everything. The universe was unfinished or fussy at the start. And that
Rocky, you in here?
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you!
I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
Hey, my face, get on ground! Oh my god. You know, that's always hate this noise.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Take one more step and I'ma fuck you up. Nigga, you ain't gonna do it. I told you I was gonna fuck you up, you stupid fuck bitch! Oh shit!
Sam!
Hey, my face, get on ground! Oh my god.
Ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresh.
Oh, fuck!
Simmer, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. How can I?
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
It's okay. It's okay.
Every day is so wonderful. I said don't look.
Come here. Oh man, I burnt it.
And chew me on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga. And chew me on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
Why are alphabets fun to eat? Because you can eat the fun.
Fuck off.
About a week ago. Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho. Run up.
No.
Baby,